Hi, welcome to a new video. I'm Sophie, and today I'm on my own, and I just took a little day trip to this location here, which is I guess it's kind of a nature reserve or a bird reserve anyway, because I think there's a lot of birds that nest here and stuff. Although I'm not here to photograph birds. I'm expecting the sun to set in a short while, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to get some landscape photos here, because it's quite beautiful. And already a few minutes into my to my excursion here, I've realised that I can't go out on this thing here, but we've got this lovely walkway that goes all the way up to the island. So my plan for today was to walk all the way out there and try and get some sort of minimalist landscape photography done today, but yes, that's we're gonna have to find a new location. I think I'll still try and get a couple of snaps, but we've got this little thing joshing out here, which is kind of destroying the composition. So I'm not sure that's going to be too great. So I'm going to have to have a bit more of a walk around and see if I can find something else. But it's quite beautiful here, even though it's really chilly today. Oh, we've even got some lovely sunshine now. That's fantastic. This has been a really chilly experience so far. Now, I had planned, like I was saying, I was planning on doing kind of a minimal landscape type of thing, but as I can't get access to the machine, but it is still actually really beautiful here. And I guess basically the idea behind the minimalism is when you have a landscape where there isn't a lot of features or buildings or anything and you want the focus to be on the actual negative space rather than what's taking up the frame. So have your object not filling the frame with the object, but rather the negative space around about it. So I took a couple of shots of this little pier over here, and as well a couple of shots of the reefs, but I'm not exactly happy with them. They're quite boring photographs, but I did want something minimalistic, and I'm definitely going to get that here today because there's not a lot of features. I'm trying to be mindful of the negative space and all that. So I'm just going to have a little walk around the area, see if I can find any other spots for some photographs. My feet are quite cold now, so I might have to make a little stop in a bit for some coffee, just to warm up a little bit. I'm not sure it'll help my foot, but yeah. sun is setting pretty soon, although it's over there, so I'm not going to really catch any of the sunset. But I've got some of these lovely little walkways here, right on the water. And I've just seen another photographer. I just met another photographer who had the biggest lens ever. So I'm guessing he is on the trail for some bird photographs, and perhaps not doing what I'm doing. But it's always nice to meet other photographers in the field. But I think, I think I'm going to set up my tripod here because it's actually really beautiful. And although there is wind, it's only very slight, so the water is actually barely moving. So I think a long exposure here is potentially going to be really, really nice. So I'm definitely going to have a go at that. The sky is actually quite pretty. I mean, I think this is like the first day that we've had sunshine in maybe 2 weeks or something, so it's really welcomed, that's for sure. It's definitely, you can definitely never control the weather, but I think as I've started to do more and more landscape photography, I think it's one of the things that I love the most, that the composition of the image is the only thing that you can control, but you can't control the conditions, you can't control the weather. I literally never have any idea of what I'm going to capture or what's going to happen with the clouds or the light. I mean, photography is basically one long game of chase the light, because it seems like that's what we're always doing, we're chasing the light. But I don't know, I've gone really used to and I really adore landscape photography now. I'm not sure I'm that great at it, but I used to do more travel stuff and now it's mainly landscape, but it tends to be like that a lot for me as well. So as it turns out, it wasn't that bad of a location after all. Some really nice shots here. All these wooden piers and bridges leading in towards, well, nothing or or out into the water, but really beautiful anyway. And I especially love this one here, and I'm going to head in behind the reefs here as well, because there's another one and there was a lovely reflection, very still. So I can't wait to get that shot as well before it gets too dark. I'm also doing another shot here, which is basically trying to capture all this negative space here, because if you have the clouds, the wispy clouds that are just, if you can see that the lines drawing across the landscape, and you've got the sandbank with the reef on the other side here, and everything is just pulling towards the center, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'll set up the camera here right in front of this very dilapidated little thing. It's falling apart, but very often things that are dilapidated make really good photographs. So good composition here, just these planks acting as leading lines into the frame, and I'm quite happy with that. So in order to get this composition, I was forced to put the tripod into the mud, so it's kind of sinking a little bit. But I'm praying that there won't be too much camera shake, and then it's still going to be usable. So I think that's me. I think I've got the shots that I was after today after all, even though I was a bit disheartened when I first arrived on location and seen that all the planks were removed from the from the long pier over there. But I guess I can always come back when they put it back up again, which I guess should be summertime or spring maybe. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget all that, all that nonsense with the like and the share and everything else. And please don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.